Most beginners in n8n get confused about the triggers, but it is pretty simple. Like, here is the three triggers. First of all, the manual triggers, and when we click this execute workflow button, then it will start. And it is basically used for the testing purpose. We can test our workflow through this. And the second mostly used trigger is Webhook Trigger. When someone hit a URL like form submission and API call, then this Webhook Trigger run. For example, some user fills a form and then boom, this workflow will automatically run. And the third most used trigger is schedule trigger. Like, it works on time, like daily, monthly, weekly, whatever we set. For example, every Monday I need to store my lead on CRM. Then I can use this. This was the use cases of three automation trigger. So if you master these three, then you can control your automation to start.